Nice.
Now, my recent video did pretty average, but I mean, it's still better than a hot chocolate video, so I guess I'm fine. So, considering the remake of my old Christmas cookie video went pretty decent, I'm going to do the same thing with my garbage New Year's ramen video and turn it into this masterpiece. Anyways, let's show you how to make it. For the broth, first you want to take off about 4 cloves of garlic and you want to peel each and every single one of them. You can also use a knife to chop off those little ends of the garlic. Next, using this handheld garlic mincer tool, you want to squeeze out every single clove of garlic until all of them are fully minced. Then, cut half of a freshly peeled ginger into slices. Then, stack the slices and slice them into individual strips. Then, slice it the other way, and then you'll have finely chopped ginger. Now, transfer all of it to a bowl. For the mushrooms, cut off all of their stems, and then cut the top into nice even slices. We'll use it for the broth, but we'll also use it for decoration. Now, transfer all of it to a bowl. Cut the root and a little bit off the tip of a scallion. Then you want to use both a scissor and a knife to slice the scallion into pieces. Finally, transfer into a plate. Now you finish preparing your mushrooms, ginger, scallions, and garlic. In the pot on high heat, you want to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, and then you want to wait until it starts simmering or looking like this. I forgot to record, but then add 2 teaspoons of both garlic and ginger. Lower the heat down to medium or low and then stir until it's softened. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir around for about 10 seconds. Then you want to add a tablespoon of Japanese mirin or rice vinegar. Don't mix it for too long, just until they are combined. Then add 3 cups of chicken broth, even though I just poured in both 14.5 ounce cans in. Mix everything around for about 10 seconds. Then cover it with a lid and then bring it to high heat so it boils. After a minute, take the lid off and turn it down to medium heat to let it cook for 5 minutes. Then carefully drop in all of your chopped mushrooms. Then stir in the mushrooms on high for about 2 minutes. Then you want to cover it with the lid and then bring it onto high. Uncover and recover it so that it doesn't build up too much steam. After 5 minutes, bring it down to medium heat and uncover the lid. Stir for a few more minutes while also adding shakes of sea salt. Once you're done, kill the heat and let it rest. Then empty out all of the broth through a large strainer that's inside of a large bowl. Make sure to keep the mushrooms, which will have a lot of flavor. Then take the strainer and filter everything out before transferring all of the mushrooms onto a plate. Then boil some water, which all of you should know how to do, and I mean all of you. Then take off the lid and add 2 3-ounce bundles of noodles. Then you want to stir it around for 3 minutes or until it softens. And honestly, 3 minutes is the max, so please do not go any higher than that. Then use a tool to transfer your noodles into a bowl. Don't be as stupid as I am and don't use a metal bowl. Refill it with lukewarm water and then put 2 eggs in and then cover it with a lid. Then turn it back to high heat and wait for it to start boiling. Make sure it's covered, and once it starts boiling, cook for about 6.5 minutes. Then take out both of the eggs and put them in ice cold water. Now it's time to put them all together. First you want to grab a pile of noodles, and you can use scissors if it's kind of clumping together. Then you can add it to the bowl, and then as well as adding your soup. You can always choose to add more noodle and soup if you feel it's not enough. Decorate it nicely with those mushrooms. Slice and add a soft boiled egg. Then add 3 pieces of seaweed. Then top it off by sprinkling those chopped scallions from earlier. What's up guys? So we got the ramen over here, and I've got to say, this is a huge upgrade from what I made last year. Well, not last year, but about 3 years ago. But that was 3 years ago, so you know, redemption. So yeah, let's try it. Holy crap! Some of the seaweed, nice and soft. That is one good bowl of ramen. Now, for all of you guys saying, but that's not ramen. I don't care. Okay, it's good. It's better than what I made last time, and it's delicious. So yeah. Anyways, can we hit 150? Nah.